Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have a grocery haul and meal plan video for you. We've started the month of August now, and I decided again to do an overview to see how much we spend for the month on our family of 6 for groceries. It's always a good idea to just keep an eye on that and to budget accordingly, especially in these days when food costs are rising. And so that's what I'll be doing for August. I have a first large grocery haul for you that I did on August 3rd, and it should hopefully last for about 2 weeks. I might buy a couple of things before I do my large shopping again, but I hope it inspires you with the meal plan that I have, maybe to try something new for your family. And let me know in the comments below, are you keeping track of how much you're spending? Are you budgeting wisely? Look for those specials when you go shopping. Also, try not to get foods that are already prepared, pre-packaged, because of course you always pay more for the time that's being put into already making it for you. And so mostly I like to cook from scratch, and I think my groceries do reflect that. I did buy some treats because it's summer and kids are kids, and we've got to give them a little treat sometimes. So hope you enjoy. All right, so it's August 3rd, and today's the first day in August that I went grocery shopping. I'm really hoping to have enough to last me 2 weeks. And so I'm going to keep you guys updated. I'll try not to go shopping for a couple of weeks, but I'll let you know every time I go shopping in August, and we'll see how much our family ends up spending at the end of August. So we are a family of 6, myself, my husband, and we have 4 boys aged 21, almost 22, 19, 16, and 12. So I'm going to start with showing you the produce that I got at Arcs Harvest, which is our local provider for produce at a more economical cost. So if you see on this half of the table, I got all of this for $40. You fill up a basket and it's $40. And so you can just pick out what you want. So I picked out some carrots. I have a turnip there, which we like eating raw or cooking and mashing. I got a couple of grapefruit. I plan on using some of that in our soda stream. We usually drink soda stream with our meals. Just a few oranges, some red potatoes, and some sweet potatoes. Some onions. These are yellow dragon fruit. 3 mangoes, some pears. I got these grapes, which got eaten a lot by Ezra while we were out shopping. So don't worry, we were able to wash them. But these are Candy Hearts grapes, and they are very sweet. And Ezra really liked those ones. We also got a bag of cherries, 2 bags of sliced mushrooms, 4 persimmons. Micah really likes persimmons. 2 pomegranates, 3 leeks. As you can see, this one is a very serious leek. 2 eggplant and a piece of ginger. And so all of that again was $40 at Arcs Harvest. Now here I went to Walmart. I got some salad kits that were on special. I don't normally buy salad kits, but when I see them on clearance, I pick them up, and it'll be an easy side for tonight's supper. We can just use it tonight. Picked up some dark chocolate, a jar of dill pickles. I got 2 bags of Harvest Snaps, these crunchy lentil loops. 1 is already gone. Again, Ezra. Well, his lunch was grapes and Harvest Snaps today. I also got a pineapple that lost its crown on the way home. Got some bananas, chicken breasts, peaches, Ontario peaches, delicious, and also some Ontario plums, yellow plums. I got a bag of carrots because we'll be using carrots a lot. I know I had some other ones, but picked up a bag as well. Also picked up this impulse buy. I said peanut brownie Snickers. I have to try it. And so we also had one of those on the way home. So at Walmart, I spent $73.69. And today I also went to Bulk Barn. I actually went in to get flour. This is organic spelt flour. I want to make some spelt bread. It's so good. I have a video on making spelt bread. You can check it out if you like. But it's something that I really enjoy to toast it and have it for breakfast. So I'll be making that one day. And while I was there, I picked up some just roasted cashews, some walnuts, and this is candied ginger, which is just ginger pieces with some cane sugar. And I told Ezra that he could pick out a candy, so he picked peanut M&M. And so for these few items at Bulk Barn, it was $50.27. So I don't go there often to Bulk Barn. I do know that some things, well, it's not cheaper to go to Bulk Barn for, so we just have to be mindful of the prices. And spelt flour, I'm not sure where else to get spelt flour, so I get it at Bulk Barn. Okay, so on to Freshco, and that was my largest bill. That was $240.01 at Freshco. And so I just needed napkins, so I just bought the plain regular napkins. Also needed some little sandwich baggies. Bought some Lysol cleaning solution. These castaway potatoes, they're like the smaller russet potatoes. And so for bags of 5 pounds, these were $1.77 or something for 5 pounds. So got 2 bags of those. I got more onions because we love onions here. I put it in almost everything. So, and we've actually almost used all the onions from our garden too. I picked up these hot Thai chilies, and so we'll just add this chopped into anything that the boys want to have spicy. And my husband really enjoys spicy food, so we'll see how this is in different dishes. Picked up 2 cucumbers. I have cucumbers in the garden too. That's just extra. Garlic. I got a whole bag of kale. I also picked up 2 packages of blueberries. These were $4 each. Blueberries from British Columbia, so I'm sure these are gonna taste really good. Picked up mangoes. Mangoes were $1 each there. So I have 5 mangoes. I picked up avocados in the bag. These aren't ripe at all, so I'll let them sit for a few days. But then individually, I picked up 3 avocados that are ready to use. I'll probably use them tomorrow. I want to make a mango and avocado salad, so that'll be a nice side to have, refreshing for the summer. Picked up some apples. It's always something good the boys like in their lunch. This is Crisp Pink. They feel nice and firm, so I think they'll be nice and crunchy. Picked up 2 coconuts. Micah always asks, can you get fresh coconut? He really likes that. And so Ezra reminded me while we were shopping, he said, Micah wants coconut. So we picked up 2. They're $1.99 each. And then 2 packages of mushrooms, which were $2 each. Then for some cereal, these were $4 each for the family size of Honey Bunches of Oats and Shreddies. I picked up this too. I think this was $3 something, maybe a organic granola. I've had it before. It's really tasty on top of yogurt with some berries. It's really good. And here I got just our regular rolled oats, so we can make oatmeal some mornings. Got sour cream. 1 thing of yogurt because I still had some in the fridge, so just picked up 1 extra. The yogurt tubes were on special, and I told Ezra he could choose the flavor, so of course he picked out cotton candy, which that can be a dessert for them. picked up a bag of milk. I still had some left over in the fridge, so hopefully we'll be okay for a while. The black diamond cheese was, I believe, $4. So I bought 2 packs of those. Then we got some mortadella sandwich meat I have on hand. Also juicy jumbos. These were $3.80 something, I think. So about 2 packs of those, hot and spicy. The bacon was $3.99, so I picked up 4 packs at Freshco of bacon. They didn't have the regular left. I got 50% less salt, but it doesn't taste that different. There's the buns for the hot dogs. I got some sourdough multigrain bread and 2 loaves of regular whole wheat. I got some 35% whipping cream, yogurt cups to send in the boys' lunches for those who are working, butter. I don't know, it wasn't on special. We're paying like $5-6 a pound now. $10.98 for this block of cheese. This is our local St. Albert cheese, and we really like the quality of that. I picked up some noodles, also 3 cans of tuna. So probably this will go together. I'll do a tuna noodle casserole with cheese sauce. We needed ketchup, mustard. I just get Compliments brand, it's cheaper. Tastes the same to us. Frank's Red Hot we picked up. Orange juice. I usually just get 1 jug per grocery shopping. And this we have just on mornings when I have eggs or something savory for breakfast. We have a little glass of orange juice. I got 3 cans, I think, of spaghetti sauce. These are on special. 2 cans of the tomato paste, barbecue sauce, and also the boys really like this on their sandwiches, sweet and spicy mustard. So I picked up another one of these. Goes good with chicken or with ham. Picked up Chip-Its, $1.99 each. I got the dark ones, that's 50% cocoa. Picked up vanilla. And also treats because it's summertime. So Doritos, and these crispy minis were 2 for $4. Thought we could just try those out. This flavor is new, I think, white cheddar habanero. And also Micah asked for pizza pops. They were on special, 2 for $5, I think. So that's $2.50 a box. The days that they're home for lunch, we can just warm that up. And so, like I had said, at Freshco it was $240.01. And my last store is Independent, and I got more bacon, and this bacon ended up costing me $1.50 a pack. So again, I picked up 4. I might have picked up more, but there wasn't that much more, and somebody else was beside me looking at it. So it's because the best before is tomorrow, and so I'll just throw it in the freezer and just pull it out and cook it. I was really happy about that deal because bacon's getting crazy. I saw these potato chips. They are cooked in 100% avocado oil, which is supposed to be a better oil. Salmon was on special, so that's going to be our supper tonight. I think it was $10.99 a pound, the salmon. Picked up some ham and some submarine rolls for sandwiches. And the Breyers ice cream was $3.99 for 1.66 liters. And the total for Independent was $71.10. So my total for today, for August 3rd, was $475.07. So stay tuned. I hope I'm not going shopping again for quite a while. All right, so I'll just go over my meal plan with you. Again, nothing fancy. I've just written it out. I've done 2 weeks worth. And so we're starting today, August 3rd. We're having barbecue salmon. I'm doing on cedar planks. Along with that, I'll have the bacon wrapped mushrooms, which are very tasty. If you haven't tried that, it's just simple. Wrap your mushrooms in bacon and grill them, and super delicious. Rice and that bag salad I got on clearance. So that will be our supper tonight. Tomorrow, beef and bean burritos, and I'll make some guacamole with the avocados I have. And I have tortillas left over from another grocery haul that we need to use up. Friday is naan pizza. I don't have any pepperoni, but it'll be like a bacon and veggie pizza and pineapple on it, so that'll be good, and a mango avocado salad on the side. Saturday, my husband and I will be eating out probably. We have a belated anniversary outing, so the kids will be on their own, but that's fine. I had got the pizza pockets so they can have those. Sunday after church we have a barbecue potluck, so I don't need to make a main meal, but I will make kale salad to bring and some kind of dessert to be decided. Monday will be chicken burgers. I have those chicken breasts that I'll just slice in half, and then I grill those, and we'll have that probably with some potatoes on the side and some kind of salad or veggies. Tuesday I'm going to be making moussaka for the first time. That is a traditional Greek dish with eggplant, and so I want to try that out, and probably just have carrots on the side with that. Wednesday I'm planning to do haddock. I have frozen fillets in the freezer that I'll cook up or bake in the oven, and probably do potatoes or maybe rice with that, or maybe even pasta. We'll see. It can be decided that day. And then Thursday, pulled pork. I have pork in the freezer that I can put in the slow cooker, and I'll either make some buns or see what I have in the freezer. And also I can do coleslaw, which is a nice side for that. Our fun Friday this week will be chicken wings, and I'll do some roast potatoes and probably just carrot and celery sticks on the side. Saturday will be simple, hot dogs, sausages on the barbecue, and I'll probably have leftover coleslaw from Thursday. I'll make a big batch then. Sunday will be nice to have steak and potatoes. We do have lots of beef in the freezer because we did buy a quarter of a beef, so that's where that steak is coming from. And Monday I'm planning on spaghetti or pasta dish. And then Tuesday, a pork stir fry with rice. I have a frozen bag of veggies that I should be using. It's like an Asian blend of veggies. So that'll go nicely in the stir fry. And there's still other things I could have done. That tuna noodle casserole, I didn't put it in. So anyway, I shouldn't have to go shopping until August 17th. I'll probably need milk, and I'll probably need some things for lunches, like maybe more deli meat or something, or we'll see if I can become creative and try not to spend very much until August 17th. We have lots of breakfast options, so I don't write it out per day what I'm going to have. It's kind of the night before I decide what I'm going to be making for breakfast the next day, but we have these options here. So I hope it's given you some inspiration for what meals to make for your family, and I will let you know when I go shopping next. So check out my next grocery video, and thank you for watching. If you do like kitchen videos, please like and subscribe so you don't miss what's happening in Mary's Kitchen. And until then, may God bless you with his love, joy, peace, and good health. Bye.